This is Ling Chi, brush painting for beginners from Oriental Art Supply. Today, our demonstration is about windy bamboo. As you know, if you do this art, bamboo is the beginner subject, but also is the most challenging, lay a good foundation for you for the rest of your journey. And there are so many different ways to do bamboo. Some people spend their whole lifetime just to do bamboo. So today we're going to start it from the very basic, but then also give you a twist, which is windy bamboo. And it's a little bit different than what we've been demonstrating before. So for the advanced people, you also can get another diversion from what you do all the time. A lot of times you see bamboo out there, there are so many leaves and so many trunks, they make you one composition. Today I'm going to do a very simple one, so no matter how many bamboos cluster you do, that eventually it's all come to this. So the equipment is very easy. One of the unsized Xuan paper, you can do your double Xuan or single Xuan. And I'm doing our double Xuan AO, which is a vintage Xuan paper. It's about, I would say, a good 25 years old. And it's a seasoned paper, very stable, control moisture-wise, and it's a thinner paper than the J plate that we have, which I prefer because I like the fluidity of the paper, and also I paint fast. So if you like to meticulously place your stroke, then the J plate double Xuan maybe is your better choice. And the brush, one brush. This is an orchid bamboo. We have 3 sizes, depends on how big you want it, medium, small, and large. And this is the number 1 brush I would get. Get a good one and check it out, our catalog, because without a good brush, you will be struggling. And then ink, our best bottle ink. That's it. And then a water bowl. And so I got brush, ink, and paper all stated. And then first I want to show you that this composition is right here. And it only involves 2 types of stroke. So to warm it up, and I will do this for you. The first stroke is the bamboo stroke, which you can do vertically, this is number 1, the first, and then I would do connect, and then I would do the second stroke. So you would want to warm it up with this stroke, and then place them always like a V. So this one is a shorter one, this is a longer one. So I would do it fast. So you want to be able to do and then on today's subject, we need to do a little bit diagonally, sideways. So you can see they're always in a V shape, this first stroke. So continuous to do it until you get a fluidity. So. The second stroke is the bone stroke. So it just involves these 2 strokes and how you place them. So warm it up with this. Okay, so that's the practice to warm it up. Now we're going to get to the main composition. You can see I will start with this pair. So each pair you can see, then I will point out to you they are a V shape. Just everything is a pair. So the first one we're going to do this pair. So the bamboo is a little bit stronger, darker ink, straight ink than the trunk. So this is the first pair. Second pair is a little bit across the first pair. So the second pair is a little bit higher, and I have a smaller bamboo leaves across this one. And then a bigger one. And then the third one is on this side. So you can see that the tip, I have this U shape here. That's how I arrange it. So I didn't arrange it as all straight up, lined up. And then in the middle, I have another pair to extend it, make this thing a little bit longer. So that finished my first cluster. The second cluster, I'm doing it a little bit off this side. So I don't line up into a straight line. So I'm doing it a little bit here. So like this composition is always like a U shape. Again, each pair is a small one and a big one. So this one, the first one, I'm going to start with a little smaller. And then this one, I'm going to start a little bit bigger. Again, it's a U shape. And then I'm going to start with a little bit higher on here side. So here's a small one, and then a big one. And then I will do another one underneath, a small one and a big one. So this, I finished this cluster. And then I'm going to use a little bit lighter ink. And then I'm doing the trunk. So I will start with a little bit. So my trunk is going to start with a little bit U shape here. So I started with here. And then I come down, and come down, and come down. So the top one, a little bit shorter. And then I will have two sides with the knot. This is to show the knot of the bamboo trunk. And then now I'm going to start connecting these leaves with the trunk. So again, it's a narrower, skinnier branches. So I'm going to do this one. Start with this and this. And then I'm going to connect this with this one, and then this. And then with this, then I'm going to connect with this. And then underneath here, I'm looking for this one. And then I'm connecting with this. With this. So then I finished my windy bamboo. So hopefully you have a good time to practice bamboo.